What's up, guys? Welcome to Poland's Garage. Welcome to another video. So in today's video we're going to be working on my SV650 and we're going to be finally getting rid of those ugly mirrors. They're all loose. I already loosened them up to make sure they're actually going to come out. And we're also going to be installing frame sliders right here, which I got both of the things right here. So this is the mirrors, essentially the cheapest Chinesium mirrors you can get on eBay. $15 shipped to your house with the taxes. I think it was actually 16 with the taxes, but they're gonna look much better than the original huge ones. And they come with two different adapters. So you have the Suzuki has a 10mm ones, so it comes with a 10mm as well as an 8mm for different bikes. So that's what we're gonna be installing in a second. And we also have, which I'm really excited about because I love the look of them, the frame sliders. So they're not the best quality frame sliders, but they feel kind of cheap, I guess. But I mean, like, they're frame sliders. It's supposed to slide, you know. You're supposed to be able to slide your frame and not damage your bike. So let's get into work and start installing the stuff. All right, guys, so just really quickly, for the mirrors, if you have the same exact old mirrors, to take them out is a 17mm, and then you need a 14 to tighten the new bolts on the mirrors, and also you need an 8mm for those specific mirrors to adjust them later. And for the frame sliders, for the original ones, you have a 17mm, so we'll need two 17mm sockets, and they will snag on both sides. And for some reason, the new sliders have two different sizes. One size is 19, so we have a 19, as well as 18 on the other side. So let's get into work. Alright, guys, so that was it for this video. As you guys saw, we installed the crash pads. So it's easier to have two people to this. I had Justin right over here who will help tighten and loosen on the other side, and then we torqued it to 45 foot-pounds, which seems to be plenty for those pads. They don't seem like they're going anywhere. One thing with those pads, if you're installing on the GS650 though, you have to make sure, because the hole is smaller, because they, besides what you see right here, they still go in about 1/4 inch on this side as well as on this side, and you can see the hole on this side is actually bigger. So one pad is a little bit wider, the other one, which is this one, this one's a little bit slimmer. And besides that, we also installed those beautiful $15 mirrors, and I think they look a million times better right now. Like, it doesn't yet complete the whole look of the bike that I wanted to make it look like, but it makes it look a million times better. And we also removed those little orange reflectors right here, because I don't like the reflector. Reflector is the first thing you have to remove when you get a bike. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe, stay tuned, see you next time. Let me know in the comments what you think about the mods that we installed today, and see you in the next video.